How to create a new project in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap on the New Project Plus button to start a new project. Then add photos or videos to your new project. After adding, choose the aspect ratio for your project depending on where you want to share your videos, such as 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for social media stories, or 1:1 for post. Once your new project is ready, tap on the back button in the top left corner. It will show option to save as new project, exit or cancel. Select the save as new project option. Your new project will now be saved and displayed under the project section. Now tap on the three dots of your new project. From here, you can edit your project title, which helps you easily identify it later, especially if you plan to work on multiple projects. Now you know how to create a new project in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.